thing's popping, bro. That's not normal. Pops on that. Oh, this here, bro. Oh, this thing here, man. Don't mess about with the. Yeah. What's going on, YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video, and I'm back at it with the energy. Innit? You do your answer. Or you just there in the corner, like. Okay, yeah, I'm back with the energy. The last videos, I haven't been focused on recording. I've just been focusing on just getting things done and like doing a look at recording on the side. But I'm coming back with more entertaining videos, man. And as you can see, the Vauxhall has sold and I now have another Peugeot. Oh my God. Yesterday I worked all on it. I'm gonna talk you through everything I've done to it. It drives fine, you just need a bit of paint work, like what you say, prep, clean, shine up the interior, everything. As you can see, you know, these things are weird here though, like, that's just weird. But I'm about to go show you the car now. So yeah, I'm about to go to the place where I normally go and show you the car. Oh, where's the key? Alright, I'm about to drive to the location. I can see a car coming right now. Why is my man stopped for? What I want to do is turn. But yeah, as you guys can see, the car drives well, man. Even though I've only just going down the road. Even though you guys can't see me right now, I'm on my way to Greenway. So yeah, you could just do a POV from here to Greenway, innit? Yeah, man. Look at that flipping dead bird on the floor. That's jokes. Man said this car does little flipping little pops and that. That's jokes. That's why all these little Peugeots do look like little pops. Like when I let off. See, I heard it that. Going this way now. So I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around the car, innit? If you're interested, you might be interested in the car maybe. But yeah, it's basically ready for sale now. All I just need to do left is just change one of the headlight bulbs. That way. And yeah, apart from that, the car drives nice, man. There we are, we're at Greenway now. Bow. Nice and empty, that's how I like it, so I can film my videos. Where shall I park this? Alright, here's the car.
Get that bag, get bro.
I've done a lot of work to it, man. I detailed it. show you what I've done then. Right, so as you can see, the car's not bad, not too bad. Let me show you one tip. These in here, it was all rusty, bare rusty. So what I done, I spray painted it black to just give it that little pop. And that's what I done, some tie shine lap. So I buffed the whole car. The body had these like round, swirly marks on it. That was terrible. So I buffed it and then I polished it, like machine polished it. And also with the headlights, you should have seen what here was like. You couldn't even see through it. So I buffed it. Even the interior, come show them the interior. Even look at interior, I shined it all up. I shined up the dashboard and everything, and all of this, all of these little plastics up here. But let me show you underneath the bonnet now. Alright, underneath the bonnet, you can see I've shined it up quite a bit. Shined this up. I just cleaned everything, even here, everything, even the windscreen. Yeah, so as you can see, it's looking clean. This is how you want a car to look nice. Selling the car. And yeah, on this side, I've done the same thing. Obviously, there's a little bit of a damage here. This bit, I'm going to insert a clip right now. This bit was all the way sunk in because apparently whoever had the car before moped went into here, and what I done, I heated it up and pushed it out. And how I done it was, I got a hammer behind there and I pushed up the hammer against the wheel, and then I just kept pushing it up, and it just caused, I don't know if it's bare tension, but it just pushed it out. Me and my girl done it. Come on. And yeah, that's about it. Done it for all the wheels. As you can see, all the wheels are looking fresh. There's a little bit of a thing here. It's got full MOT. The car's got full MOT and it's ready to be sold, isn't it? Let's come show you the rear end out of the car. I've detailed the whole car. And yeah, that's it, man. This is the new car that's for sale. I'm coming back with the quality of the videos. I'm coming back with the personality. I'm just waffling, innit? I'ma upload the cinematic I done right now of the car. And yeah, it's a pretty clean car. Let me show you about. Yeah, I cleaned it up nicely from whatever it came from. It's been cleaned up pretty nice. Let me show you the rear seats. That's the rear seats. And yeah, that's basically everything. And the cool thing about these cars, yeah, these little rear windows can open. Like, go like this and push it out and it's open. It's kind of sick. The boot, I haven't really cleaned the boot yet. And there's also right here in the paint where it was like, looks like someone tried to sand it or scratch it, and it was proper like scratched up on no colour was there. It was just sort of white like scratch here. I polished it and you can see it's come out a lot better. Look, you can see my reflection in the paintwork. Like, I mean, it's been so it's ready for sale. And yeah, guys, that's about it, man. The VXR, the same news, innit? Because they're all the parts from overseas, the same news. The parts aren't coming in. So hopefully, they said by last week the parts should have come. They say it come. So hopefully this week now they come in it. But a hint, guys, I've been looking at some other cars. So when the VXR comes back forged, I might keep it for maybe a little bit, but I'm gonna sell that and I'm gonna get another car. But keep tuned to see what car I'm getting. Just trust me, no, it's an upgrade in power. It's a fat upgrade in power, bruv. keep tuned in it. Hopefully it happens, fingers crossed. Keep tuned. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Get me and support the thing. I'm on my way to 700 subscribers. When the VXR is back, I can post content I want to post. I know you guys probably don't really like the buying and selling car content, but I've done a lot of work on this car. It was proper dirty. Proper dirty. Not a bad little car. It's got MOT till April. It's got MOT till 20th of April next year. And yeah, like, it's a neat little car for what I paid for it. I'm gonna make some profit on it. So some more little tips that I use, yeah. Even these, the plastics are looking terrible. I put a bit of tire shine on it. I'm not even gonna lie. And look how it just looks brand new, really. Even this, I put a bit of tire shine on it. Look, you see how that looks? That's what it was like before. And that's after I sort of shined it up. Even these little things, I buffed them as well and polished it and put tire shine on it, and it just looks fresh. It freshens it up. So the car's ready for sale now. And yeah, I'm gonna give the interior another clean. Really, I'm gonna get some new mats for it. And I'm also gonna show you guys a listing when I go home as well. So yeah. Bless, even though I said that like time ago. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'm just showing you around the car quickly. Just a quick video. I wasn't going to post a video of this because it's not really getting views like that, but content's content at the end of the day. And when the VXR is back, I'm able to do content I like to do. And yeah, I got some headlights to go on there. I'm making a clip now, which I buffed them and polished them so they look clear now. I don't know if I'm going to go with the hybrid turbo stuff anymore, because I thought about just getting a new car that's already going to have a lot more horsepower than whatever I'll get by putting a hybrid turbo on the VXR. Do you know what I mean? So, yeah. Bless. Obviously, it's a car channel. Damn, it's zoomed up. It's a car channel, so I got to show you how the thing sounds, bruh. So my girl's going to go give it a little rev. I'm trying to find where the exhaust pipe is. Oh, look. It's right there. Ooh. Thing's popping, bro. That's not normal, bro. Why do all Peugeots do this? Why do all Peugeots do this? Give me one more, give me some more, man. Okay. Why can't they do this? Anyways, I just been waffling. 1% sound, one more. Yeah. Alright, that's enough revving out. Let's roll. I told you the car popped, man. The other one popped, this one popped. I've had 3 Peugeots so far. And oh my god, look, listen to this. The VXR don't do that. just on one rev. I actually like that. I don't know if you guys could hear it in the video, but that's a bit of me, bruh. Just a little pop. Is that normal for a Peugeot?
Probably, yeah. It's just because you don't have a Peugeot.
Mad. And that's his standard exhaust. I'm gone. But man's by a wall now, so let's see how it sounds. Come on. Mad thing! What are you saying, bro? Come on. Don't hear the pops on that. Oh, this here, bro. Oh, this thing here, man. Don't mess about it now. Yeah? Fastest car I ever driven in my life. Come on. thing, bro. Get me? Look at the handling. Yo! Just went around a slight crevice corner. I don't know what crevice is. Yeah, now I'm turning left. You get me? Unfortunately, when you're driving the car, there's no bumps. This is just when you're still. Either bumps. Mate, it feels like a sofa. Wow, so quick. If you know I'm being sarcastic. Living life, got the hands out the window and that, you get me? Just chilling in my new Peugeot. For sale though. Alright man, that's enough. I'm letting you lot go now. Bye. Here's the pictures that I've used so you can see. Yeah, that's it, and here's the description if you guys want to read that. And yeah.